Rivers budget presentation. Appeal court's decision stands as Supreme Court dismisses FUBARA'S appeal, says lawmaker. And now to the news info. A member of the House of Representatives and lawyer, Mr. Solomon Bob, has stated that the Court of Appeal's judgment on the presentation of the Rivers State budget remains valid, following the Supreme Court's dismissal of Governor Siminalayi Fubara's appeal. What remains valid? That's what? If you go and read 2024 budget to Amewuli or what? I don't understand. The Supreme Court recently dismissed Governor Fubara's appeal, challenging the Court of Appeal's ruling, which upheld the judgment of the Federal High Court, mandating him to present the 2024 state budget to the masses Amewuli-led Rivers State House of Assembly. Why would he go and read 2024 budget to them when we are already in 2025? I don't understand you people. Bob, representing Abua Odua and Awada East Federal Constituency of Rivers State, argued that the Supreme Court decision affects future budgets, including the 2025 state budget. He said on January 10, 2025, the Supreme Court dismissed Governor Fubara's appeal against the judgment of the Court of Appeal, which had earlier upheld Justice Joseph Omotosho's ruling in suit number FAC/ABJ/CS/1613/2023. Justice Omotosho's judgment, delivered on January 22, 2024, addressed the core issues of the crisis, including the leadership and membership of the Rivers State House of Assembly, and b. the presentation of the 2024 appropriation bill and subsequent proposals to the House of Assembly. Which House of Assembly? Amewole. It's not possible. You cannot read it to them. He will not read it to them. They are no longer bona fide members of the House of Assembly. Why would he read it to them? Who are these lawyers? Half-baked lawyers. I don't know anything. One of the orders states an order is hereby made restraining the 11 defendants, Governor Fubara, from making any request, presentation, or nomination to the Rivers State House of Assembly, except to the House led by the second plaintiff. I beg na dey play. Speaker Mrs. Amewole. Bob emphasized that the judgment applies to all future legislative submissions, including the 2025 budget. How will they affect future submission? I don't understand, including 2025 budget. For what? You will now go and read it to Mrs. Amewole. No, it's not possible. It's not possible. Abdulsalam Wasi Alao says, it is now I can understand the implications of the Supreme Court judgment as it can affect future procedures. Why would it affect future procedures? Why? Clement Enyang says, these are criminal elements in Rivers State. Why should it affect future budgets? When Wike was the governor, did anybody measure issues for him? Why did he and his gang want to bring shame because of Tinubu or APC wanting to claim Rivers by force? I don't understand. I don't understand. Why should he read it to Amewole? For what? Now wow. Ibrahim Mustafa says, confused lawmaker who can interpret court decision better than the Sans. Don't mind him. I don't know the kind of lawyer that this one is. Half-baked lawyer. I beg you. Prince Tammy Harris says, was the case withdrawn by Governor Siminalayi Fubara or dismissed by the Supreme Court? Because it was Fubara himself that went to the court to withdraw the case. So I don't understand what you mean by, they dismissed the case. Which kind of lawyers do we have in this country? Said I don't know anything. What kind of lawmakers, people and idiots do we have in this Nigerian system? It's so appalling. You call yourself a lawyer, you don't know the meaning between withdraw and dismiss. Now wow. Are they developers or damagers? God help us with this set of idiots and fools. They are really big idiots and fools. And Bob, number one. Because I don't understand. What are you explaining? It will affect future this thing. So you should read 2025 budget to them. For what? Ayola Akano says, in the learned honorable dictionary, the Supreme Court decisions being canvassed now will bring the 2024 event to the forefront in Rivers State. Such is the reasoning of Nigerian honorable member. Beg. Aro Atekoja says, the ruling APC in Nigeria, it is only God that can use his miracle power to turn the sword of governance in Nigeria. Yes, so it's only God that can help us in this country. It is just God. The judiciary, legislative, and the executive, all of them, they have no good intention. Yes, so they have no good intention at all. Akin Ninyene says, Fubara withdraw or not is simply agreeing to the first judgment. The law is so complex. Let's understand the good people of Nigeria. I don't think so. Which fear first judgment? I beg, it is big injustice. If they want anybody to obey the rule of law, Martin Amewole and his group should obey the constitution that says that once you leave, you can no longer come back. You've lost your seat. And INEC should conduct election. All this rubbish should not be going on. I beg. Uzuka Ikena says, "Let the Solomon without wisdom go and present 2024 already spent budget." I don't understand. Who is Solomon without wisdom? I beg, let's say what Olaitonimo says. Our expectation from judiciary is reinstate back the 27 members of the House who are presently APC with their letter of defection to the present position. Judiciary are keeping quiet over this. Judiciary should ask them to rewrite their letters from APC back. PDP, anything fall short of this is simply saying we are not helping our democracy to grow the way it should. God save Rivers State and save Nigeria democracy. Amen. Oh. Amen. Mike Atilola says they never write letters. They only say it by mouth. They said it by mouth. It was on national TV. If they said it by mouth, it was broadcasted. What else did they want again? What else did they want again? They said it's because of crisis that they are leaving the party. And they left. So what are they coming back to do? So they only need to say it by their mouth that they are a bona fide member of PDP. Okay. Sule Baba Wuro says, Supreme Court didn't dismiss FUBARA'S appeal. Governor Fubara withdrew the appeal because it's just an academic exercise. Exactly. We are in 2025. Why should we be talking about 2024 budget in 2025? So let's just withdraw the case. I don't know why that one will now mean that it means that he should go and read his budget to Mrs. Amewule. For what? For what? How would he do that? Femi says that's the position of the law. Let Fubara allow Falana to be deceiving. It's a lie. Falana cannot be deceiving anybody. It's not deceiving him. I beg you people should stop this biasness. It's not right. What Wike and the squad are doing in Rivers State, is it nice? Can anybody take it? Can Wike himself, can he take it? What is it? Achebe Ignatius says, your opinion as someone who doesn't know the law but elected as maker of the law was that those who dismiss themselves from service should claim responsibility for the state budget presentation. You are being so submerged by selfishness to teach the legal guru Falana on the Nigerian constitution. Exactly. The law and its intricacies, if I may ask, was the appeal dismissed or withdrawn? Abi? It was withdrawn now. So what do you mean by because of that? BK has won. Mrs. Amewule has won. I beg you, let's say a word. Sule Baba says, the lawmaker doesn't know what law is all about. He's just a common lawyer that never presents a case before any high court like his paymaster Wike. So, it doesn't make any sense at all. Wike will not accept this at all. He will not. I don't understand. I'll just leave their governorship for them. Because what's that rubbish? It's total rubbish. Frank King says, who has ever vomited what he or she has eaten? Event has overtaken 2024 budget. Besides, Amewule is no longer assembly member. Yes, he's not. So why should I go and read 2024 budget when we are in 2025? It's not possible though. My listeners, what do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.